The Mangrove Black Hawk. Here at Lago Bay we have at least 4 pairs of these birds of prey, but make no mistake, they are not common. They do span from Mexico to northern South America, and they live near mangroves. They'll often follow the lawn equipment, curious, patient, and hoping something edible gets stirred up. Surprisingly tolerant of humans, they watch us like a hawk. They are the apex predator of Lago Bay. Each breeding season, they'll raise their young, usually just 1 egg at a time, a slow and careful investment in the future.